All right, so let's move to another part, which is the index part. It's simply related to displaying the data. So we are in the index right now. We've already included the auto load. So every class will be auto loaded. So to work with the index right here, we need to actually grab the part of this div part right here. All right, so this will allow us to simply display the data. So copy this part. Of course, we need to close this up like that. So since we're going to display or work with HTML, so I want to actually require also the header. So Bootstrap will work. I'm gonna go a step back and I'm gonna go to the views folder, and then I'm gonna go for the header .php like that. All right. So right after this, since we're gonna work with the database and we will need the data, we need to work with the model, because if you look at the model right here, you can see that we created all our functions right here, and this is the function that I will need to work with in order to get the data. All right. So if we look right over here at our index, let's use the model so we can actually work with it. So I'm gonna go app slash models. I'm gonna go slash post. All right. And right here, after we included the model, we need to go ahead and grab the data. So in order to do this, we're gonna go all posts like this equals, if we look at the model right here, you can see this is a static function. So we will just go for the post like that, and we will go for the scope resolution operator, and then go for the get all posts right here, and this will allow us to simply get the data right away. All right, so this variable right now holds all the posts that we have right here. Since we made it so it will be assigned to the get all posts right here. All right, so if we copy this part, let's go down at the bottom. Let's create a for each function. So we'll go for each all posts as post. All right, so we're gonna loop through every and each one of those posts, and then we will grab the post right now, and let's go right here, PHP echo post. And since we made it so it will be fetched as an associative array, we will just go post and then an array like that. And inside the array, we will need the title. Let's copy this part. Let's paste this like that. So this will be the content. All right, and everything else we will deal with it once we go for the update and the delete pages, which we did not create yet. So I want to go right after this, and I want to end the for each. So end for each, so we do not get an error. Should be a semicolon, and then like save all of this. Let's go ahead and take a look at the index. All right, so as you can see, it's actually working perfectly. So yeah, it's very simple, but it's enough for now. If you want to, of course, like work with any kind of work with a new design, this is up to you. This is not a design course. This is simply a PHP OOP course, a backend course. All right. So I want to go right like to wrap everything up. I want to go at this part and go anchor. I want to go for the class. Let me go ahead for the bootstrap anchors like that, or anchor buttons. All right, so let me go right here and just grab a very simple anchor. let me copy this part and paste like that. So this will be btn primary. I don't want to keep this, so it will be primary. I will just keep it success like that. And this, we want this to go to the create.php page. All right, the role button right here, I'm going to make this so it will be plus create new post. So this will allow us to go for the create.php page that will allow us to insert new posts. So save the whole thing. Let's go back right here and refresh. So as you can see, you'll have this nice little button right here that will allow us to simply, if we click on it, we will just go ahead to the create.php page and we can simply insert a fourth post if we want to. So for the content, let's also copy this and paste like that. All right, so if we go down at the bottom, as you can see, here is our new record. Let's edit the part uh, of the query and let's make it so the recent posts will be at the top, not at the bottom, not at the bottom right here. So I want to go and order by, I want to order it by the created ad. So again, this is just my SQL stuff. Order by created ad, so I will keep it descending like that. So the recent posts will be right at the top. So save everything. Let's refresh now. As you can see, here is my fourth title, or here's my fourth post. We refresh this, you'll find it right here. All right. So you can see right here, everything is working perfectly. So in the next one, we'll probably work with the delete function right over here.